Luna's room. Bright toys galore. Sunlight filled the cozy nook. But something was amiss. Teddy's gone. Luna's heartbroken. Teddy bear? Where are you? Luna's worried call echoed. She searched everywhere for it. Toto, seen Teddy? Toto quipte. Rocket Teddy? Or hiding in the cookie jar? He dove. Crumbs flew everywhere. Luna giggled. No, silly. Teddy avoids rockets, cookies. Luna's face lit up. Time for mystery hide and seek. Toto wore big glasses, excited. Luna investigated. Toto hopped nearby. White thread. A clue! Luna exclaimed. A clue! Following the thread, they discovered it led to a small hidden door behind the bookshelf. Toto squeezed through first, then Luna. Inside was a secret playhouse. Teddy! Amidst blocks he's found, mischief gleamed, adventure planned. Luna hugged Teddy tightly. You scared me, she said, relieved. Dusty Toto smiled, crumbs on face. Friends played happily in their playhouse, solving the mystery of Teddy's disappearance and creating new adventures in their imaginative world. Luna learned that sometimes the best places to find things are the places you least expect, and that teamwork and a little bit of detective work can solve any mystery, big or small. The day ended with Luna, Toto, and Teddy snuggled together,